Alright, so everything's weeded. So I have the pieces all right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by warming up my heat press. So I have the shirt and I have a pad so that way, and it's on a firm surface because you do have to use some pressure. I took a lint roller because there's cats here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull out the heat press. And when I pull out the heat press, I'm going to let it warm up. And the one that I currently am using is just the Cricut mini press, the little tiny baby one. So I'm going to let that heat up. And then once that's heated up, I'm going to do it on medium. So there's low, medium, high. I'm going to do it on medium. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 20 seconds on each spot. This is going to be my third shirt I've ever made. I just did my first 2 shirts yesterday, so I'm still in the trial and error stage. But you don't move it around like an iron. You set it, you apply pressure, hold it there for 20 seconds, pick it up, move it to the other spot. Because since it is so small, even doing something like this will probably go ahead and take me 2 to 3 presses because it only covers up so much space. So let's go ahead and get that going and we'll see where we're at. Okay, another quick thing. Remember how I said this is the glossy side, so this was the matte side. This is the side that you weed off of. So everything, when you put it in, it goes in like this through your Cricut. And when you weed, you pull all the excess off of this side. This side is actually sticky on the plastic. Not the vinyl, the plastic only is sticky. So what happens is when you put it on the shirt, you kind of press it down and it sticks. So it's not going to move around on me. Some people use Teflon paper. This specific one, Primology, says that you do not need Teflon paper, and they do not provide it in the batch that I received. So now I just need to make sure that everything lines up. So I'm not going to put these face down, but I want to make sure that they do fit and line up like so. So now I can kind of see. And I see that I have more room over here, so I'm going to scoot them down a little bit. So I'm going to do that, and then we will be back. Okay, now this is the setting, so small, medium, hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pick it up, come over here, and I'm going to just press down and count to 20. As you can see, the other part see where the iron was, so now you see why I have to do it more than once.